sharing some secrets of people with glowing skin. So if you are excited, like this video and stay tuned. Removing your makeup before you go to sleep is very important because while you are sleeping, your skin renews itself. But when you leave your makeup on, you are preventing that from happening. Also, your pores become more clogged and it can cause acne. So, always remove your makeup before you go to bed. You can use a gel base or a oil base cleanser or whatever you want. And you can also use a coconut oil as a makeup remover. Your bedtime moisturizing routine can reduce acne and aging effects also. Applying a moisturizer at night helps to seal in moisture and repair skin. It also makes more hydrated, smooth and clear skin for the next day. If you have a oily skin, then you can use a vinegar based or a water based moisturizer at the night, and if you have a dry skin, you can go for any night cream or moisturizer made for dry skin people. Wearing a sunscreen every day is one of the best and easiest ways to protect your skin. It prevents your skin from skin cancer, sunburn, and also premature aging. It's important to wear a sunscreen inside your home as well as inside your car because UV rays can pass through glass windows. Without a regular healthy sleep, your skin may increase in fine lines, uneven pigmentations, and reduced elasticity. According to studies, 4 to 5 hours sleep isn't enough, especially in long terms. We need at least 7 to 8 hours sleep per night as a beauty sleep. Last and the most important thing is to drink a lot water because drinking a lot water keeps your body refreshed and hydrated. Drinking enough water helps to flush out the toxins while giving you a healthier skin. Drinking 3 liters of water prevents from kidney stones, headaches, and improves mood and physical strength. But drinking too much water can cause nausea, diarrhea, headaches all through the day. That is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And please let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions for me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.